After the grand Mumbai reception of Nupur Senon and singer Stebin Ben, emotions are still running high, especially for Kriti Senon. The actress recently shared unseen pictures from the couple's Christian and Hindu wedding ceremonies, along with a heartfelt note that touched many hearts. Sharing her feelings, Kriti wrote, "Words can never be enough to explain what I'm feeling. Still hasn't sunk in. My little one is married." Recalling their journey together, she added, "From holding you in my arms for the first time when I was 5, to now holding your chadar and seeing you all dressed up as the prettiest bride I've ever seen, my heart is so full seeing you so happy, in love, and beginning the most beautiful chapter of your life with the best life partner we could ever ask for you." Kriti warmly welcomed Stebin Ben into the family, writing, "Stebin Ben, you've been a part of our family for more than 5 years now, and our bond has strengthened with each passing year. I know I've gained a brother and a friend for life who's always gonna be there for me." Calling the wedding vows deeply special, she said, "Seeing you to tie the knot and say your vows has been one of the most emotionally beautiful moments of my life. What precious memories." She ended on a playful note, "Wishing you both a lifetime of happiness and love. She is my Jaan and I know she's yours too. For life. I'm never really giving her away, so welcome to the Senon family." In a postscript, Kriti confessed, "Even though I know you're going to be 20 minutes away and will keep coming home, the house really feels empty without your laughter. But I'm happy you'll be spreading joy in 2 houses now. UFFF. Love you both to the moon and back." Nupur replied, "You're my whole world, Kritsu, my lifeline." She recalled the emotional chadar moment, saying, "The Pulu ki chadar was super heavy and they told you in front of me that you won't be able to hold it, but you saw me that moment and you knew if there was one person who had to hold it, it was you." She added, "My sister, my brother, my rock, my choti mom, my everything. I was the happiest seeing you hold it," ending with a smile. "I love her more than I love you. At Stebin Ben, always know that." Stebin replied simply, "Of Krits. Love ya so much." With a star-studded reception attended by Salman Khan and many others, Nupur and Stebin's wedding truly became a celebration of love, family, and unforgettable emotions.
बेटा ऐसा मत कर।
Today is a big day in Maharashtra as voting takes place across 29 municipal corporations, with all eyes on Mumbai. The BMC elections are underway, and many citizens are stepping out to make their voices heard. Bollywood superstar Akshay Kumar was also seen doing his civic duty. The actor reached the Gandhi Shikshan Bhavan to cast his vote in the BMC elections. Calm, simple, and focused, Akshay stood in line like any other Mumbaikar and completed the voting process. After voting, Akshay shared a powerful message for the people of Mumbai. He said, "Today, the voting for BMC is taking place. As Mumbaikars, we have the remote control with us today. I would request all the people of Mumbai to come out in large numbers and cast their votes. If we have to be the real hero of Mumbai, we shouldn't do dialogue wabazi. Instead, come out and cast our votes." But that wasn't all that caught everyone's attention. A video of Akshay Kumar soon went viral on social media. In the video, the jolly LLB 3-star is seen helping a young girl who was reportedly in debt. As he leaves, the emotional girl touches his feet, thanking him for his kindness.
मैडम रुक जाओ मैडम। मैडम रुक जाओ, मैडम रुक जाओ। अभी नहीं मैडम, ये बात नहीं, अभी बाद में ऑफिस में मैं देता हूँ। सिंपल सा। बेटा ऐसा मत कर।
अक्षय सर, गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Fans were quick to shower praise on the actor. One user wrote, "Bade Dilwala." Another commented, "Nice, Akshay Kumar's a great button." A third fan said, "Akki heart is so pure Akshay Kumar," with heart emojis. From voting responsibly to helping someone in need, Akshay Kumar once again showed why many call him a real-life hero. On a day that's important for Mumbai's future, Akshay's actions reminded everyone that true heroism lies in responsibility, kindness, and action.
बेटा ऐसा मत
हाँ अरे ये
Nick Jonas and Priyanka Chopra Jonas recently took a break from their busy schedules to enjoy a peaceful, sun-soaked family vacation with their daughter, Malti Miri Chopra Jonas. The couple gave fans a glimpse into their private getaway through a series of warm and candid photos shared by Nick on Instagram. In the first picture from the carousel, the family is seen relaxing in a swimming pool. Nick clicks a selfie while Priyanka hugs him from behind. Little Malti floats nearby on a tube, sweetly resting her hand on her father's shoulder. The moment captures calm, love, and togetherness in a single frame. Another photo shows Nick playing photographer as Priyanka poses confidently in a bikini in the pool. Malti sits comfortably on Nick's lap, quietly watching her mom get her pictures clicked. The image perfectly reflects easygoing vacation vibes and family bonding. Nick also shared other moments from the trip. One photo shows him relaxing with a friend, while another features a plate with a Huffington cake beside a candle shaped like the number 4, a subtle and sweet hint at Malti's upcoming 4th birthday on 15th January. Adding a personal touch, Nick included pictures clicked using his camera, snapshots of burgers enjoyed during the vacation, a playful selfie making a funny face paired with a side-eyeing Chloe meme, and a peaceful outdoor photo of himself soaking in the scenic view. Nick Jonas and Priyanka Chopra got married in 2018 in Rajasthan, celebrating their love with both Christian and Hindu wedding ceremonies. The couple welcomed their daughter, Malti Miri Chopra Jonas, in January 2022. On the work front, Priyanka is gearing up for her Telugu film debut with S.S. Rajamouli's Varanasi, starring Mahesh Babu and Prithviraj Sukumaran. The film is scheduled for a Sankranti 2027 release. She also has Citadel Season 2 in the pipeline and will next be seen in The Bluff alongside Carl Urban. She was last seen in Heads of State with Idris Elba and John Cena.
फर्स्ट टाइम प्लीज हेलो थोड़ा उधर साइड में जाइए ना.
During the ongoing Maharashtra local polls, a tense moment unfolded when a senior citizen confronted actress-politician Hema Malini over the voting chaos. The incident highlighted both frustrations of voters and the importance of civic participation. A senior citizen, who has lived in the area for over 60 years, expressed his frustration directly to Hema Malini. He said, "I'm a senior citizen. I've been residing in this area for the last 60 years. There is chaos for the first time. Last, I'm trying to vote since 7.30 and 9.30 I got it voted. Nobody is answerable. Nobody is accountable." He repeated his concern, emphasizing his long-term residency. "I'm a senior citizen. I've been residing in this area for the last 60 years.
It's a chaos, first time. Last, I am trying for voting since 7:30 and 9:30 I got it voted.
Okay, I will tell
Nobody is answerable. Nobody is accountable.
he is
Even
answerable.
local BJP worker is not there.
जाओ ना।
बाद में नहीं है, सही है, देखो हमको इधर ये जो भी है ना इसको
प्लीज
cover पर
हेलो
BJP का
थोड़ा
आदमी।
उधर साइड में जाइए ना।
Hema Malini calmly addressed the situation and then spoke to the media after casting her vote. She emphasized the importance of every citizen taking part in the democratic process. Speaking to reporters, Hema said, "I request everyone in Mumbai to come and vote. I have come early in the morning to vote. This is very, very important for every citizen of Mumbai."
जैसा अभी सुबह सुबह मैं आ गई हूँ वोट देने के लिए। मेरा आगे बहुत काम है, करेंगे, लेकिन दिस इज वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर एवरी सिटीजन ऑफ मुंबई। अगर आपको सुरक्षा चाहिए, प्रगति चाहिए मुंबई में अच्छी हवा चाहिए, गड्ढा मुक्त रोड्स चाहिए, इन सब चीज के लिए हम सबको जिम्मेदार लेना पड़ेगा। हम सबको, एवरीबॉडी हैज टू बी रेस्पॉन्सिबल एंड कम एंड वोट देने का जो अधिकार है उसे जताएंगे, तभी आपका मुंबई तो इज द बेस्ट सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड, आई विल से, और भी अच्छा हो सकता है, और भी बढ़िया हो सकता है। इसके लिए आप सब लोगों को साथ देना चाहिए। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द सिटीजन्स ऑफ आवर मुंबई टू कम एंड वोट फॉर द राइट पीपल। ओके।
The incident with the senior citizen served as a reminder of the challenges voters face and the critical role of civic participation. Despite frustrations, Hema Malini's message was clear: taking responsibility and casting your vote is key to shaping the future of Mumbai.